Long-lasting additives are essential for extending the lifespan of asphalt pavements. They contribute to overall durability, reduce maintenance needs, and enhance performance under varying environmental conditions. The integration of anti-rutting modifiers, rutting mitigation enhancers, long-lasting additives, and flexible additives into asphalt pavement formulations significantly improves performance and durability. These innovations not only address common issues like rutting but also enhance the overall lifespan of pavements, contributing to safer and more sustainable road infrastructure. As the industry continues to evolve, the development of advanced additives will play an increasingly critical role in meeting the challenges posed by modern traffic demands and climate conditions.